Hello and welcome to our channel. Want to become a smarter iOS developer in 2025? Let Xcode 26 and AI work for you, not against you. In this playlist, I am going to show you how to level up your iOS skills and build faster than ever. Here's what we are covering in this series. In the first video of this playlist, we will cover how to download both the stable and beta versions of Xcode, so you are equipped with the right tool to start experimenting with Xcode Intelligence and streamline your iOS development workflow. In the second video of our playlist, we will explore an important question: will Xcode Intelligence eventually replace the role of iOS developers, or will it become a powerful tool to enhance their workflow? In the third video of our playlist, we will evaluate whether Xcode's built-in AI is truly capable of handling real-world iOS development tasks. The rest of the playlist is dedicated to building an Instagram-style app powered by Xcode Intelligence. If you have made it to the end of this video, that means you are serious about leveling up your iOS skills. And this playlist is just getting started. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Let's build smarter together.